Welcome to School 2.
Like that.
Welcome to Mass International Home School.
Papa, is it true that it's Mongo Park that discovered River Niger?
Is that what they've been teaching you in your school?
Yeah.
Mongo Park did not discover River Niger.
Who that discovered it?
The river that we have been fetching waters from. How can you say it's Mongo Park that discovered?
But our teacher told us that it's Mongo Park.
Don't mind those your teachers. They don't know what to teach. Okay, have you heard about the story of Amadioha?
Oh, Amadi is in our class now.
What? Amadioha International Home School. I will teach you all the things that you need to know. Because those your teachers.
Headmaster, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Headmaster, you are here. Welcome.
So when your mates are in class, you are depriving them from coming to school by telling their stories.
This is where they are going to. Where is this school? It's Ma's school. You see that your school, their school fees is too much. They want to kill me. Yeah. But when we get to Ma's children are there too. You will like the school. My daughter, let's go.
Headmaster, that is it too.
But things are not done like this now.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
Fine.
Mazi, good afternoon. Mazi,
welcome.
You are doing a very good job in our society.
Thank you
My
very
friend
much.
told me about your school, so I need to.
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. Too many
Mazi,
let me go and come back. By the time I come back, we will now sit down and conclude on the school fees.
You too. You remove your daughter from my school?
Headmaster, you get school? Is it not that school that you are using to make money? What are you teaching my children? Please, please, I don't have any money to start spending again.
Okay.
See, Ma's school
I
is
hear
not
me.
May the gods of our forefathers follow you and bless you. Headmaster, can you see that? All the parents in this community, they are complaining. The high rate of school fees is too much. It's too much. It's too much. There is no work. There is no money. The government, everybody, they are complaining. And you people are enjoying. You are getting fatter with the school fees.
1, 2, 3.
No problem. If you want to start your own school, no problem.
Yes, but I've already started.
But you cannot start your own school with my own school uniform.
You paid it. It's our property.
Can't you see that this school is the uniform is crested with my school name? You cannot start with your own
We
school.
paid for the school. We paid.
Headmaster, time shall tell, Headmaster.
Time shall tell.
Because that school fees, you will not see it. Because one, these children, we did not teach them anything. They don't know nothing. All I hear from them is Mongo Park, Mongo Park, Mongo Park. Now, Headmaster, you can leave. That is why I decided to open my school now. Mazi International Home School. Where we can teach them what they need to know.
So this is how you want to do.
Don't worry.
Violence in this community.
You better leave this place before Amadioha strike you dead.
School 2.
Thank you for watching School2 Comedy. Thanks for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We love you all. We are appreciating you all. Forget about the messengers, but take the message. School fees is too high. Please, school owner and the federal government, reduce your school fees. But don't forget to keep on watching School2 Comedy and keep telling a friend to tell other friends.